Good morning, everybody. Today is going to be a little bit different
because it is laundry day.
This is going to be our first catch-up slash administrative slash rest day. So we're not going to be going out and having a big adventure today. Instead, we're going to hang out close to our hotel. We're going to do our laundry, catch up on videos, catch up on some work, and get a little bit of rest. Sundays have always kind of been our rest and relaxation days, and we spend the whole day together and just kind of hang out at home and refresh before the week starts all over again. Now that we're traveling full time, we're going to have to start implementing that into our lives now, because we've been used to traveling for a week, week and a half, and going hard that whole time, and then resting when we get back home. But this is our home now.
We definitely need a rest day after visiting so many temples and walking about 20 miles in the last 3 days, so very much needed.
We want to bring you along today to show you the realities of traveling full time, because we still have to do our chores, they just look a little bit different now.
Ready for the day.
And there go our clothes. Next stop, 7-Eleven for some more snacks and maybe some booze. Now to look for a little something for breakfast. Snack stop.
Nice and spicy. It was so good that I had to get the egg noodles with barbecue pork.
She's preparing a to-go order for someone else in a little baggie. That's pretty cool.
This is really good. It's a different noodle shape than the veggies.
I kind of want to try it, but I don't want to get sick. I'll probably be fine.
It's because he's vegetarian. I think we've said that before.
And I'm usually used to lard. He usually handle lard and other meat greases, so I think I'll be fine. Let's see. I'll try one.
A little bit, yeah. We'll find out tomorrow. Oh yeah, really.
Just one noodle. Oh yeah, that's good. Before we came here, we heard several other YouTubers talking about if there's no line at restaurants or at a cart, don't eat there. And we found that if there's a line, it's probably overpriced and full of tourists. There's a bridge next to our hotel that's a pretty major road, and we've always stayed on our hotel side of the bridge. But yesterday the bus that we took back to the hotel dropped us off on the other side of the bridge, and we walked through that area, and that place is super local. Like, there wasn't a single tourist in sight, and the whole street was just lined with little homemade street food carts, people just sitting out front of their homes selling different foods and drinks. So that's where we're gonna head right now for our morning iced tea and coffee. You have to walk under the bridge to get to this side, which might be why a lot of tourists don't come down here. But your reward for coming over here is dozens and dozens of street food carts. And this cat. You could order one of everything on her menu for $9. Perfect. Thank you.
It's my favorite. You can't go wrong with Thai iced tea.
And we also got our first Thai iced coffee.
Ooh. Oh my god, that's so good. It's like Thai iced tea, but stronger.
And coffee.
And coffee. Yeah, oh yeah, now it tastes like coffee. the aftertaste?
To me, it tastes like a pretty strong espresso, like a pretty concentrated coffee, and then sweetened with condensed milk and a little bit of sugar.
The best.
It blows my mind that all of this is right next to our hotel, just across the bridge. We've had enough fun today. We need to get back to the hotel and actually start working.
Oh yeah, and our laundry. We went to drop off our laundry, and it is a 24-hour service, so we won't be able to pick it up until tomorrow. Luckily, we do have some clothes until then, so.
But it was only $7.80 I think, to do our laundry. So I picked up a couple things from the convenience store, both the 7-Eleven and also just a little street corner store that was really cool. But the first thing I wanted to try was the original Red Bull, because Red Bull was invented in Thailand and I've been wanting to try this for years. We don't drink a lot of Red Bull, but when you need it, you need it. So let's see how this tastes. My understanding is that they made it super sweet and carbonated for the Western palate, so I really don't know what to expect with this one. It actually smells about the same.
Oh yeah, it smells like Red Bull.
Tastes more like just a syrup. It's not carbonated and it's not too sweet, but yeah, tastes pretty similar.
Yeah.
We'll see if Thai Red Bull gives you wings.
This is definitely sweeter.
You think it's sweeter?
Yeah, I think it's sweeter. And it does, you make a point, it tastes like syrup. Yeah. I need water, too sweet. And now from 7-Eleven, we got 2 snacks. These spicy chips. And I got this one because it has really cute packaging. Looks like they're chocolate filled.
Chocolate filled cookies of some kind.
Yeah. So these 2 are from 7-Eleven.
I want the spicy ones. Other packaging, like all the chip bags have been super thick and like really hard to open. So you just tear them down the side, which kind of sucks.
Ooh, man! I can smell the chili! No, I don't even want to smell it.
To me, they smell more barbecue-y than anything.
My eyes.
They're a lot more savory than spicy or any other flavor.
Like, I feel the spice after I eat it. But it does taste barbecue.
Look at the little face that they have on there.
Oh, ooh, man. Okay.
Water.
The bag is like releasing chili. What?
It's literally throwing chunks of ice at us.
Next up, snack number 2. Chocolate filled koalas.
Ooh.
Oh, these are cute. Oh! It's like a koala.
Do what the influencers do.
It's a koala. Oh yeah, they make different faces. So this one's crying.
This one's yawning.
Yawning. Yeah, they melt right in your mouth. Pretty good so far. Next up, we passed by this local store that just sells snacks, and they're not in English at all. So I was like, oh, that would make the perfect snack. So we got a couple of things, and all of this was for 25 baht, which is less than $1.
It's like 80 cents. We'll put it on screen.
Yeah, look, this is what we got.
Snack haul.
We got all of this from that store. I don't even know what's inside of these, so.
we can't read that packaging. We have no idea what these are because we've never seen them before. So, yeah, we're going in blind.
Maybe there's chocolate in it. Maybe there's fish.
Good point.
I have to get to the middle. Hold on.
Maybe it's not filled?
Yeah.
Yeah? Filled?
That's good. I just got the edge. It's like, I don't even know what it is. It's really flaky. It's almost like an empanada, but if it was like flaky. I don't know what's in it though. Coconut maybe?
It tastes like a nut to me.
Pretty good. And I think most of these were like 5 baht. Next up, this snack. It's like a soft bread. Oh.
Ooh. Looks like a coconut.
I mean, that's not bread. Did you eat the plastic?
I ate the paper.
Oh! I ate it too!
Oh, the whole thing is wrapped with paper.
Oh, no. So now, without the paper.
Take 2.
But it was pretty good with the paper.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like a roasted coconut pastry.
Yeah. Snack number 6. Looks like corn cake. Oh, that's sticky.
Looks like it might be some shaved fruit in the middle.
Yeah, there's this. It's like a fruit flavored cake.
Oh, it's pretty good.
They are not disappointing here.
It's super light and fluffy too.
I think that would be perfect with like a morning coffee.
Ooh.
Or Thai iced tea.
Thai iced tea.
Okay, these look like little donuts. And I'm a sucker for donuts.
Oh wait, does the hole go all the way through? Oh, this one kind of looks like a smiley face on this side. It's kind of like mini sour cream donuts.
Oh, yes! Yeah, but it's covered in sugar. Really good too. Last but not least.
Ooh, rice cakes.
Yep, rice cakes drizzled in something.
Actually, kind of looks like fruit something.
Oh,
yeah.
Like a jelly?
Yeah, like a fruit jelly. Can't tell what this drizzle is, but it's really good. It's pretty sweet.
Like the rice cake itself tastes like rice cake. Like it doesn't really have much flavor, but the drizzle adds a nice sweetness to it. Those rice cakes were the least sweet out of all of the snacks.
My favorites are definitely those spicy chips because I love spicy and crunchy snacks. And I couldn't stock up on my Dollar Tree mini Takis bags before leaving because they were sold out.
So far, the snacks have been really, really good. Thailand makes some good snacks, and I can't wait to try even more.
Cheers.
Hope you guys liked our snack review. If you do, I am more than glad to make more snack reviews and to taste more.
Okay, let's get to work. Oh my god, we weren't recording that whole time. I was able to get through editing 2 vlogs, but I'm also working on an intro for our videos. And working on the intro is pretty easy, it's just licensing the music that's pretty tough. I couldn't find any good open source songs that I like, and there's one song that we really, really like, and licensing it is proving to be pretty tough.
And today I spent time working on TikToks and Reels and posting on our Instagram, so make sure to give those a follow too.
Right now we're gonna go get dinner at a little restaurant that sits up on the sidewalk right in front of our hotel called Family Restaurant.
That's such a cute name.
I think we completely forgot to mention that today is Chinese New Year.
Oh yeah, happy Chinese New Year.
It's the year of the bunny. This restaurant just sits up here on the sidewalk. We walk by it every day and it looks pretty good. Here's the menu and it looks like everything can be made vegetarian. And it's a bring your own beer type of place.
They even provide you some mosquito repellent. It's so nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's good. These are squishy noodles.
I know I keep saying this every day, but this is seriously the best food we've had since we got here. They were out of mango sticky rice, so instead we got some banana sticky rice. We've never tried this one before. That meal was so good. We will definitely be back there before we leave.
We ordered... What did we order?
Pad see ew, which is, I think, drunken noodles. It looks and tastes like drunken noodles.
Yeah.
And we got tom kha, which is a coconut soup.
So we finished it off with some dessert, some banana sticky rice. I do prefer the mango, but the sticky rice with the coconut was really good.
Still haven't figured out a plan for tomorrow, so we'll probably come up with that pretty soon. But other than that, we'll see you all tomorrow for another no plan day. Bye.
Bye.